friends. Today we'll be looking into the concept of database. First of all, what is a database? A database is used to store something. So now let us look into the definition of database. A database is a collection of related data that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Now, how to manage the database? So to manage a database, we need a system. So we use a database management system. So what is a database management system? A database management system, or more popularly known as a DBMS, is a collection of programs that enables you to store, modify, and extract information from a database. So you can do any changes on the data which is stored in the database by using a database management system. So now, how we will store data on the database? So to store data on the database, you should use something known as a table. So what is a table? A table is used to add values to a particular database. For example, if you consider a student, now to add something into student database, you need to create a table first. So first create table student. So what are the attributes of a student, or what are the properties which defines a student? So student has his name, his address, his class, his subject, his stream, or which branch he belongs to. So now let's see what is DDL, or Data Definition Language. DDL supports the creation, deletion, modification of table definitions. That is, you can create, delete, or modify or alter the contents of a table by using DDL. So now let us look into what DDL contains. So DDL contains 5 commands. One is create table command, which is used to create a table. Alter table command, which is used to alter a table content. A drop table command, which is used to delete a table or which is used to remove a table. Rename command, which is used to rename a table. And truncate command, which is used to append some value. So now let us look into create table command. So create table command defines each column of the table uniquely. Each column has minimum of 3 attributes: a name, data type, and size. So in a table, the most important keys are the primary key and the foreign key, and the remaining keys are known as secondary keys. So primary key is something which uniquely identifies a table. A foreign key is something which is present in other table as a primary key and is referenced by this particular table in the database. So now let's look into a simple example to create a table. So create table employee. Here I am creating an employee table with the employee number, and I am giving a value number of 4. That is 4 digits can be used, and it is the primary key. So this employee number is used to uniquely identify this table named employee. And employee name char of 10. Char of 10 means 10 characters are permitted for employee name. So the value is fixed. If you happen to give more than 10 characters, then the characters will be discarded. Now let us look into the next one, alter table command. The alter table command is used to add, delete, or modify the columns in an existing table. So now here the columns in employee table are employee number and employee name. So now if you want to add any additional information, and if you happen to forget, or if you didn't want to add something before but now you want to add, you can use alter table command. So alter table name. You can add or delete or do other operations. So the basic operation is add. Alter table employee, add designation var of 50. So now here I have added the designation for the employee. So now whenever you check the employee table, you will find employee number, employee name, and designation. Here we come across one more data type, varchar. So varchar is variable character, meaning its meaning is variable character. So now if you give only 10 characters, the size will be 50, but it will be stored in only those 10 places. Now let's come to drop table command. So drop table command. Drop table statement is used to remove a table definition and all data indexes, triggers, constraints and permissions specification for that table. That is used to remove every information present on the database regarding that table from the database. Now I have taken as an example drop table employee. Now if you drop this particular table, all information related to this table will be deleted. Now coming to rename. It is used to rename a column of a particular table. The syntax is given as. So now if you want to rename a particular data, for example, if you want to rename employee number as simple EMPNO, then you can go for rename. Now truncate command. Truncate command, it removes the contents of the table but its definition remains unaffected. That is, you can just give truncate table employee. Now the employee table will be empty, that is it won't contain employee number, employee name and the next one which we added, that is designation. So this is all about this tutorial. Please do like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.